Hi there, welcome to Virendra Dear channel. Beloved friends, this channel is patriotic. The philosophy of this channel is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is our family. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, all have to be successful and happy. Atmavatsar Bhutesu, every creature is just like us, so we have to have feelings. And this is the ultimate wisdom mankind must learn, master it, and try to practice in life. I, being an Indian, it is governed by the Constitution of India, where it is clearly written, this country will be free from all the evils of the society, that is caste, creed, race, religion, discrimination on the basis of sex and all. Ultimate wisdom is there. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve shantu niramaya. Sarvhadrani pasyantu ma kaschid dukhvag bhave. All have to be peaceful, happy, prosperous, enjoying absolute peace, and that message should go to the entire world, and because the peace is the need of the hour. But recently, a lot of political parties who were ruling India on the basis of caste, creed and all these kind of petty things, they are roaring and they are forcing the Honorable Prime Minister of India to really do the census based on the caste. My friends, the beloved Indians, if you really love your motherland, then you should count and make a census. How many Rabindranath Tagore, how many Sir C.V. Raman, how many Abdul Kalam, how many Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, they were in India and now they are in India or not. And put your best to create such patriotic great Indians, because that way we can really glorify our motherland and serve the purpose to give food, shelter, clothes, electricity, water and everything to every citizen of India. That will be true meaning of life. Recently you must have seen the petty politicians who are deprived from power, who have ruled the states based on the caste, made the state the most backward, started civil war, hitting and beating the castes, different caste people, and imposing a lot of reservation based on caste. They never thought about nation, they never thought about unity, integrity of India. India is a country who has no meaning for caste. India is a country where we have to have scientific fervor, scientific temper. The citizen of India should be only one caste, that is Indian. There should be only one religion, that is Bharatiya. There should be only one creed, that is we are free from greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. And there should be only attitude towards making India great and the world proud of us is truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. Awake India, sisters and brothers, daughters and sons, don't talk about caste and creed. Your ancestors did it. They fought among themselves and the outsiders came and ruled India for thousands of years. Now they have gone, but their offspring, the petty politicians, the selfish, greedy, they want again division in the society based on the caste. Shame!